Pleasure Pods are a solid plant-based moisturizer and lubricant for vaginal dryness. Let me show you how to use it. Peel the film and take the pod out of the tray. Hold the pods in your hands and use your body heat to activate the butter to start melting. If your hands are cold, rub them together to create some heat. Melt the pod in your hands and apply or rub the pod directly on your skin where you want it. For faster application, place a pod in a dish and microwave for 1 minute. It melts into a luxurious warm liquid, perfect for intimate play or relaxing massage. Pods are antibacterial and contain no water for bacteria, mold, or yeast to grow. Cleanup is quick and easy. Simply wipe the pod with a cloth or run it under hot water for a second. Pop the pod back in the tray or storage tin, ready for next time. Melt, apply, relax, and enjoy.